Hello friends, what is exponential growth? Nowadays we are hearing this word frequently in news channels, in other YouTube videos, in newspapers, everywhere. Everyone is talking that coronavirus, COVID-19 virus is growing exponentially. So, is there any other kind of growth also which is not exponential? To answer these all questions, to explore these all questions, please watch this video till the end. What is growth? Growth is actually an increase or increment in a certain quantity. Let us try to understand this with an example, a simple example. Imagine that someone is giving you some chocolates. On first day, that person is giving you suppose 2 chocolates. We are exploring this with the help of a Excel tool. So the person is given 2 chocolates by someone. On the first day he was given 2 chocolates. On the next day that person is given or that person receives an extra chocolate. So on second day he will get the previous amount plus the growth amount, that is of, for example, 2 more chocolates. So on the next day he will get 2 and 2, that is 4 chocolate. On the next day again he will get the previous chocolates plus 2 more chocolates. So in this way he will get the 6 chocolates. Note that on the side screen you can visualize, you can view a yellow line which is growing. Now if this happens for next 20 days, what will happen? On the 4th day he will get the 8 chocolate, on 5th day he will get the 10 chocolate, on the 10th day he will get 20 chocolates, on 15th day he will get 30 chocolates, and on 20th day he will get the 40 chocolate. If I plot the graph of days and the chocolates on that particular day, I will get a straight line graph which is shown by a yellow line here. Now this type of growth is known as linear growth because the chocolates are increasing gradually, and the graph of this growth is a straight line as shown in the figure, as shown in the picture. So this is called the linear growth. Here growth is increasing by a fixed quantity every day. But what if, let us understand the exponential growth. Whatever we have discussed, that is the linear growth. To understand the exponential growth, again consider the example of chocolates. Now person is getting 2 chocolates. On the next day he is getting the double chocolates than the previous day. That means he will get twice of or the previous chocolates multiplied by 2. Please keep your eyes on the cells of Excel. So here I have written the formula previous chocolates multiplied by 2. So he will get the 4 chocolate on the second day. Again the same formula, previous day chocolates multiplied by 2, so 8 chocolates. If I repeat this formula for next 20 days, watch the graph. The graph is somewhat like this. It is not a straight line graph. If I consider the graph till 12 days, so you can see the graph is like a hockey stick, and note down the number of chocolates. In the linear case, on 20th day, the chocolate received was 40. But here on the 12th day, the chocolate received by the person was 4096, which is much bigger figure compared to the linear growth or linear growth in the chocolates. So what you are observing, on the first day, the person is getting 2 chocolates, then 4, then 8, then 16. So growth is not increasing by some specific amount. Actually, it is increasing by leaps and bounds. Here, next day amount, the next day value is double of the previous value. And such growth is actually known as exponential growth. In the English, we can say that it is growth in leaps and bounds. Now note that, what if the chocolates is increased by 3 times? So let us explore this. First day 2 chocolates, then it is 3 times than the previous one, and same will be repeated. Now you can see on the 12th day itself, the person will get 3,54,294 chocolates. So this is nothing but the exponential growth. Now let us explore the another cases of exponential growth. Let us have a case study. Let us study the exponential growth in the coronavirus infected persons. As we know that coronavirus infection is growing exponentially. It is growing leaps and bounds. So why does it happen? Imagine that on the first day, one person is getting infected with coronavirus. On the next day, for example, that person is infecting 2 more persons. That means number of infected person previous day multiplied by 2. So on the second day, there will be 2 more new infections. On the third day, previous day infected person will infect again double of infected person. So there will be 4 more infection. So every day the person getting infected is again infecting the double number of persons. Let us explore the graph of this. What you are observing, that infection is, number of infected persons are growing exponentially, and on the 5th day itself there will be 16 infected persons. On 10th day that will be 512. On the 15th day it will be 16,384 persons, and on the 20th day it will be 5,24,288. Here we are assuming that every person is infecting 2 more persons, as you can see in the picture. But what if every person is infecting 4 persons? Let us explore this. Every person is infecting 4 persons. That means previous day infection multiplied by 4. Here also previous day infection multiplied by 4. And observe the graph and observe the numbers. Now on the 10th day, on the 5th day there will be 256 patients or infected persons. On 10th day it will be 2,62,144 persons. Here this number is very alarming. If one person is infecting other 4 persons, and this is also the example of coronavirus exponential growth or coronavirus exponential growth in the infected persons. In some countries this has happened also. Let us understand one more example of exponential growth. This time we are studying the exponential growth in money. Our money grows exponentially if we can earn the interest as a compound interest. As we know, there can be two types of interest, simple and compound. But if we are earning the compound interest over the invested amount, then our money can grow exponentially. Let us see how. Imagine that the money or the bank where you are investing your money is offering 10% interest, and you are depositing 1000 rupees at the starting of the year. Let us calculate the interest by applying the formula, the amount multiplied by interest, which is nothing but 10%. I have written the formula, principal amount multiplied by 10% interest. So we will get the 100 rupees at the end of the year, and at the starting of the starting of the second year or at the end of first year, our money will grow as principal amount plus interest. This is the amount after 1 year. So after 1 year we will get 1100 rupees. Now interest will be earned on this new principal, that is 1100. So again calculate the interest, principal multiplied by 10% interest will be 110, and it will added to this amount, that is this amount plus interest. At the end of second year the amount is 1210. Now let us calculate this amount for the 15 years, and let us watch what you are observing. At the end of 5 years your amount grows 1611, which was initially 1000. At the end of 10 years it is 2594. At the end of 15 years it is 117. Let us plot the graph of this. Graph is already plotted. At the end of 16 years in here, at the end of 15 years the amount is 4170. Note that graph is not straight, and this is nothing but the exponential growth in your money. What if any institution is offering 20% interest, which is again a compounding interest? Let us calculate this, and it will be very interesting to understand this. Now interest rate is, here I am writing the interest formula, this amount multiplied by suppose 20% interest. Now here we will add amount, initial amount plus the interest. Here also we will calculate the amount by 20% as we have done in the previous case. So I am copying this formula here. So it is 240, and now let us repeat this for the other cells. Now curve has changed with the interest rate. Now new interest rate is 20%. So more will be the interest rate, the depth of the curve will increase. So this is the one more classic example of exponential growth in the money. So friends, in this video we tried to analyze exponential growth and linear growth. We observed that exponential growth is nothing but the leaps and bounds growth. Nowadays we are observing this in the corona patients or corona infected persons. But the regular real life example of exponential growth is the compound interest. Dear friends, for such more informative videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you friends.